Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Techno49. I hope everyone is safe. In today's video, I would be talking about Shift Inflex or Schedule Inflex. It is very important interview question that generally asked during the interview. So now let's start the video. Shift Inflex is used to measure the efficiency of the scheduling process and indicates the additional staffing scheduled above the requirement. So it means that how well the scheduling process is that to avoid overlapping of the staffing during the intervals, and this also tells about what is the difference between the actual and the required agent. So now it's time to calculate how we can calculate the shift inflex calculation. Suppose actual agent I have is 100 for any particular interval, then required agent is only 95. So what would be the shift inflex? So the shift inflex is the overlapping of the staffing during the interval. So the formula would be your actual minus required divided by your required. So the shift inflex for that interval is 5%. I hope that is clear. So now let's move on to the another example. Let's say that FTE requirement at 11 a.m. interval is 25 and the requirement at 11:30 a.m. is 30 agents. We have a batch of agent whose shift starts at 11 a.m. So to meet the requirement at 11:30 interval, we will schedule 30 people at 11 a.m. This will result in having 5 excess FTE at 11 a.m. interval, which is to ensure that the service level can be met and to improve the answer performance. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share.